Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we shall see room 202 of Cloudmist Resort and Spa. Cloudmist Resort and Spa is located 3 kilometers from the Panchgani main market. The distance of the resort is approximately 500 meters from Manama factory outlet, which is located along the highway. The walking distance from the factory outlet till the hotel, which is of 500 meters, is extremely beautiful with trees on both the sides and a beautiful view of the valley. To keep in mind, this is a single lane way, so if you're taking any vehicles, be careful. This resort is one of the most beautiful resorts in Panchgani with stunning views of the hills and the Doom Lake. Now let's go through the entry and the reception of the resort. The resort is divided in 4 wings. There is each wing on each side of the reception, and the other 2 wings are located at the pool level. The resort is divided into 2 levels. One is the deck and the other is the pool. So while going from the entry, you go to the deck level first and then you climb down and reach the pool level. So the resort is extremely beautiful as there are views from the deck and from the pool. So all the 4 wings have exceptional views of the entire valley and the Doom Lake. The room 202 is located in the upper wing, which is at the pool area. To mention, all the rooms along this wing have exceptional views of the pool and the valley. On entering the room, there is a sliding wardrobe on the left side. The wardrobe cannot be locked as such. There is the bathroom on the right side. Now you can see the bed and the beautiful view of the pool and the valley from this room. And every room, as I said, on this floor is having almost the same view. Now there is a nice TV and a beautiful balcony with outdoor seating. One can enjoy views of the sunset and the sunrise from this point. The bathroom has fixed hot water timings, that is morning 8:30 to 10:30 and evening 6 to 8:30. One can ask for dinner and they'll give you dinner in your room. You can enjoy your dinner or lunch or any kind of meals by just being seated in your balcony. Also, the pool is extremely nice to see during the day, and at the night they light it up. Also, one can ask for hot water buckets except for the timings that they have mentioned. You can just see how beautiful the room is and how amazing the views of the valley and the lake are. You'll just see a small and a short clip of the sunset from this room. I have recorded a time lapse which I'll be showing you at the end of the video.